Alright guys, I got some new exhaust put on my truck. They're True Duals X-Pipe 2.5s, no catalytic converters on the truck. They're going directly into two single chamber 10 flowmasters, coming out 45 behind the tires with some 4-inch tips. But we're gonna do a little roll takeoff to see how much better improvement I got on throttle response. We'll see if it's any better. Let's give it a shot. I guess we'll do from like let's do a 20 roll. Yeah, that's a lot better. That's impressive. Wow, that's night and day difference. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna flip this around and let y'all hear what the exhaust sounds like from the cab on normal driving here. Alright, let's see what this thing sounds like here. Hope y'all can hear this thing. That's with the windows down. Let's roll the windows up and see what we got in the cab. It's definitely got a roar to it. It's not bad. It's not too bad. It's got a rumble inside the cab, but not too bad. I got some spark plug defowlers that I'm gonna throw in those rear O2 sensors. That way my check engine light will go off. That'll be another video. But anyway, there it is. I'll post a video on what the stuff looks like tomorrow. We'll post it on there, show you what the piping looks like underneath the truck and how it comes out on the back. But overall, I'm definitely impressed. Well, until the next video, guys, peace.